Hey guys, this is Aman from Nothing Wired. Today we have with us the brand new Alcatel One Touch Flash 2. As you can see, this is a very nice looking device. It is actually quite light at just 143 grams. It's thick at 8.9 mm. It has a very nice textured back. The flash does look actually quite flashy. On the back there you have your 13 megapixel camera. On the front there's the 5 megapixel camera, as you can see. Now this device does feel quite nice. See, as on the bottom you have your USB port and microphone. On the side there's your power button and volume rocker. There's also a dedicated button for the camera, which gives you quick access to the camera so you can take your pictures quite fast. On the other side there isn't quite much. On the top you have your audio jack. Now this phone is powered by a 1.3 GHz 64-bit Cortex-A53 processor. It comes with 2 GB of RAM, and it also has the Mali T720 MP4 GPU, which is quite nice. It comes with 16 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 128 GB via micro SD card. Now this device runs the Android 5.1 Lollipop OS. As you can see, it has a very familiar Android system. Now let's check some of the settings. Here you can see in the about phone the Android 5.1 version. Let's also check the storage on the device. Here, as you can see, out of 16 GB only 11.62 GB is available, which is actually not that bad. Let's also check the camera on the device. Let's go through the dedicated camera button. Here you see we are directly onto the camera. Now the camera does not lag, actually it is quite fast. On here you have your different modes, the HDR, face beauty, PIP mode. You also have your different settings where you can adjust the white balance, grid, etc. You can also adjust the shutter delay, voice capture, face detection, ISO. You can choose. It goes up to 1600. You can also go to the video from straight here. It starts recording the video. Let's also check the front camera on the device. Yes, the front camera does lag a bit. As you can see, it actually, the phone has, I think, yeah, it lags a bit, but it takes a time. But I think it's quite bright as I am against the light. The rear camera actually does feel quite fast and actually quite nice. We will add some of the video samples later. Now guys, this device comes with a 3000 mAh battery, and it will be available on Flipkart at 9,299 from 27th October. The registration start today. Thank you.